Hey friends, grateful to be in a non-wrecked vehicle today. Had somebody pull out of a gas station, got right on my tail. I was in the turn lane. She got right on my tail, and she had two other passengers, and I can tell she was chatty and not paying attention. And I was hoping she wasn't going to rear end me as we proceeded down Rockville Road. And she goes around me, and I say to my passenger in the back, I say, I'm glad she's not on my bumper anymore, because she was riding my tail and not paying attention. I look up and she's over here talking, and as soon as she got into that next lane, traffic came to a slow, and she rear-ended him and destroyed the front of her car. Me and the customer both saw it, and I am grateful today to not be in a wrecked vehicle. So watch your six, watch your tail, watch out for the other driver, because they're not paying attention. I tell people all the time, the most dangerous part about doing rideshare is the people on the road. Dangerous drivers, not the passengers. Most of the passengers are chill, but the drivers on the road have no sense whatsoever, and especially during rush hour. So grateful today for the near miss. Thank you.